Hi, I'm Buzz the Bee, and today we're breaking down another popular buzzword, business agility. Business agility refers to a business that operates with a growth mindset, monitoring changes within the marketplace and preparing to adapt accordingly. Business agility should define how employees react to changes and deliver value to customers. The ability to quickly adapt to the changing needs of customers and employees should be a priority for all companies, but especially those who are managing or adopting digital transformation initiatives. When it comes to business agility, there are three key components to focus on. The first being culture. Being able to quickly adapt must be a core value of a company, encouraging all employees to identify challenges and develop a solution. The second key to business agility is a fail-fast approach to business processes. Failing fast involves receiving feedback from employees and end users to quickly make changes based on that feedback. The last key component to business agility is execution. Agile businesses constantly integrate, change, and adapt to changes as they arise. It's especially important to get end users involved in a go-to-market strategy early and often. With digital strategies becoming more prevalent, especially in the SMB market, adaptive organizations will thrive with these changes and can take advantage of the evolving marketplace. Businesses in every industry can benefit from being more agile in their culture, processes, and execution. Check out impactmybiz.com/buzzwords for more from this series, and tune in next month when I'll break down another buzzword.